Today, let's Korean topic particles oneureun in a simple and fun way. How to distinguish between oneureun. If a noun ends with a consonant, to use eun. If it ends with a vowel, to use neun. For example, 책은 좋아요. This sentence has a final consonant, so I used eun. 나는 학생이에요. This sentence has no final consonant, so I used 는. If the noun has a final consonant, use 은. If not, use 는. It is also used when talking about topics. Use it when you want to introduce or focus on a topic. For example,
저는 학생이에요. 이것은 책이에요. 은는
is also used to compare or contrast. For example,
저는 커피를 좋아해요. 친구는 차를 좋아해요. 고기는 좋아해요. 채소는 싫어해요.
use it to highlight differences between two things. Use
은는
to state general facts.
고양이는 귀여워요. 겨울은 추워요.
Use it to talk about something general or universal. Use
은는
to emphasize or highlight a situation.
오늘은 바빠요. 저는 피자는 좋아해요. 김치는 좀
Use it when you want to highlight contrast or special cases. Choose the correct topic particle.